Good afternoon, sir. Thank you, sir. I would you like to introduce WhatsApp. My name is Swati Sharma. I am from Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. I have done my schooling in graduation from Jabalpur. I have completed my graduation in computer science engineering from engineering and technology in 2019. And since then I have been prepared for civil service examinations, and this is my third attempt in civil service. Thank you, Swati. And computer engineers, and then I was exploring the career perspectives, and I found out that in the engineering domain, and I will be contributing to ASP technological development, and I will be restricted to that in civil services I would my job into happen to good more dynamics and diverse, and I will be more satisfied with my job. So why this is for campus placements. When did you start preparing for the civil services? In 2019 after my graduation. Till then your focus your studies only. Where why did you choose and your subjects like sociology over science? In computer science graduate, so first time is computer science is not available in that subject. In second things being a civil servant, and it was important for me so to know the society first, what are the problems and issues for the different perspectives, what are the social institution process and the interaction that happen between the people. That why I choose sociology. Sociology helping administrations. First goal for the civil servants is to do work by the society and to the more integrity. To sociology have provided me and the new perspectives and about the issues, businesses, women, children, child labour, and their other issues, especially sociological perspective. That's why. Tell me one thing. What you have really learned about societies from the study of the sociology? Which have their functionals as well as the tri-functional aspect also. So we have to look both faces, not look any issue based for one perspective, so go for the multi-dimensional perspectives. And second thing is that what you knew that patriarchy is basically the patriarchy is the dominations and of male and decisions in all aspects of the woman's, and whether in its forms on outside, and domination basically the prevalence in the society in terms of education of labor everything. Yes, and to an extent yes, so with us. In the my family's only, and I have seen I'll cousins and he got married at 24. Just 24-year age and was 20 pursued higher education, but my uncles decided to get her marriage, and it was a patriarchal influence because her right to marriage was guided by the fathers or fathers. I think that seen my families in a power of the in a positions of power where you can dictate how we ensure that the element of patriarchy is reduced to the great extent. First thing is providing adequate and quality educations to women, but their rights, providing the gainful employment to that. And because in my opinions, gender gap in the home and can only be built in the better gender equality in the workplace. The second things, and third in the health sectors, and where the women should be more healthy, and all the issues like poverty and issues like and prenatal and postnatal care and in making aspiring in health domains also women should be empowered to write off the food to nutrition and that aspects. Matriarchy. Matriarchy basically the female domination, where females in taking decisions for the families. The society in India, sir, in the South Yanki Moplas and the Nair community is there that are the imitations their matriarchal. नहीं उठा two sociologists for India. The first one is G.S. Gure and the second M.N. Srinivas. What is the popular theory of Islamic Sanskritization? So in Sanskritization is said that the lower caste of the low pupils and the adopt the cultures, ideologies, ways of life and the focus upon class pupils to gain the mobility in the sphere. Both pupils as gain as occupational mobility as example. Argued for the job to be the next capital of India. Before allotting is the next capital of India, there are the certain issues that must be the tackled and debated. Then only it can be the become a capital of India. Right now, we need to argue for first one, and the first one is in a process of the developing and it has been allowed located for Mazdan city also. There are certain project and bit are going on to first is that, and the second it has the total everything in economics and so that's it stands. And third, historically also Madhya Pradesh was important in the terms of independence process and for 1939 and Congress session happened in Tripura. So that is the case and various matches also both status bana Jhanda Satyagraha that was status from Madhya Pradesh Jabalpur. Committee set up by the British government in India before independence. It recommended Jabalpur to the capital of India. Job preference are looking at and fifth preference. If you say appointed in the aversion to Russia, how do you conduct India-Russia relationship? First things I tend to the diversified area of engagement, and because right now we are more dominated by the defense corporations is a higher shares in defense corporations and the more like energies, trade, security, entire domain. I will like to diversify the contact, and second in the connectivity sectors I want to be more authority in that sense, and because connectivities with Russia will also be prompt Central Asia and Asian countries. Connectivity sectors I would and third would be people to people contact and by organizing cultures events and there's would be cooperative or cyber security works with the first ambassador to Russia in. Do you know what is the green official? The green official basically measures the economic equalities. What is the current status of the Then is rising or falling? COVID it is falling. Inequality is widening because a student of sociology, I think you study about household versus family. What is the distinctive difference between the two? The first thing is family basically consists
कितने जने चलना है लाइव बताओ तो, कितने जने चलना है?
Budget family doesn't matter, but if I live in the same house, it is
ठीक है
so for the revolution also Yankee like nowadays consulted Yankee household is becoming more little household that are taking place and their context there are some example of household which are not families. What's an average type of household every day? How many members are there? Not aware of the no idea at all. What is different exclusive economic zone and special economic zone? Exclusive economic zone as a number of 200 nautical miles of the coastline that is terms exclusive economic zone and special economic zone is within the country that are ready in foreign transactions for exports and custom duty purpose. And the difference between the General Council and the Interested Council. General Council and Interested Council. First thing, General Council are statutory bodies and statutory organization as where there are 5 general councils and where the states are groups and the discussion for the development and cooperation of second place and interested council are basically between two states with the constitutional bodies but not permanent president setups and good sir. Swati, Abhi understand Swati as a nakshatra. What is the meaning of nakshatra? Nakshatra is a star. No sir. And I remember is a nakshatra is there as per. How many village science? Where does the Swati nakshatra like? Studies computer science. There was graduations. Tell me if you locate the recent fall in the cryptocurrencies, what is the reason? What are the technological aspects apart from the call? The first thing is the cyber security concerns that are there among the pupils, and that is the first reasons. And the second is legal backing for cyber security cryptocurrencies. That is the second reason. Tell me what is exact? Can you name it? Cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, its theory. The bus transactions that happen in cryptocurrency digital forward without any central institutions monitoring at as that is cryptocurrencies. To believe there are some futures of the cryptocurrencies and accessibility that is there. I think there are the future perspectives and that must be regulated for the people. So environmental is so concerned because it is believed that they will lead to more energy incentives. They are generated more amount of energy is consumed by the process because they are generated in that energy is consumed in electronic formats. You coming from Madhya Pradesh is specifically known for the tribals. Tell me if you have to choose 3 tribes from India which are the most mainstream. This is the 3 types. The from Madhya Pradesh. First from is the Santhal community. Mainstreams. Second Bhils. And third are Gods. What do you mean by mainstreams is the community of the tribes because I think of many other tribes which are more or than disabled. I think means is that are more connected to the social, economics and political development of the country and more integrated with the wider society. Declared this tribe is more a tribe is more of a otherwise mainstream community. First thing is when the economic activities They are not doing the primitive hunting, gatherings, and there and more taking up the prevailing economic activities, the agriculture, industrial services in that sector. So second, when the gain insignificant level of education, literacy rate. Second is that, and third, when the social indicators are improved, and that and the marginalizations and discriminations is equalities, and then still is the trends, and I think that so that you are mentioning why the took the sociology as the discipline, and tell me and information gender there. Tell me three things and which we can learn from the tribal society when it comes to gender. The first thing is the sex ratio. The sex ratio among the tribals is higher as compared to the mainstream societies, and second is the equality perspectives, and third there are more equals with men women, and there are no more equality that sense among them. They and the women also part of the decision making and the community in that. I can't respond to. So continue its sociologist. Can you define religion from it? I believe religion is the practices and belief that people can associate it and that performs to ritualities and to gain some mental solace. In that, can science be considered or religious? Or science and religion is enter domestic? Partially also because, can you please explain and elaborate? Science and religions and the most and sometimes antagonists, and but they are also cooperates in some sense, and because the first thing is because scientific developments instead of religions has taken place to the remote areas, and because of the TV, social medias, and the second they are antagonists to the ideas concept of the and emergence. Religion was scientific, for example, like emergence of universe during COVID also we have seen there. What are the markers by which you can say that in a particular society is becoming the more religious? It's turning to the religious, so this is supposed to the developing a scientific temple. Decisions and that are taking people are more the guided by the religious philosophies and the rational perspective given the communal or that personal we can say religion is empowering. And we give you the situations and you tell me how what you take decisions and such a situation. Suppose you trusted if you come to know forest officers have arrested some of the tribals and on the pretext of the miners offenses, which as per the environmental aspects of the miners and reason for the forest officers who do so is to just the consequence of the peers in the local population and women. In such a situations, and you have to administer the area how did you handle the situations. Really everything is fine. First thing I will do, we called on the forest officials and the travel as well. You know both sides of the to make a more informed decisions and rational decisions for administrative purpose. And the officers of they are committed because they are security dance and their culture practices. Offenses aspect of the laws, but their minors and things but should be the punished him. But legally it's fine that way. Use those tribals and do not punish and both practice should be released because the arrest is not being the made illegal. Remember those are minor offenses, still they offense minor offenses to law release there. But law also, I think social justice also important issues local to their concept. But also, my last question to you is from Jabalpur. Can you tell me why my Narmada river from Delta? Narmada actually merged into from Gulf of Khambat, which are the part of the Western Ghats, and that by the speed elevation of their, which are the others to the rivers between Amarkantak, Son River, and the second is the Jojila River. But to understand the Indian East policy, already have the Look East policies. So Look East policies both focusing basis on the ASEAN countries. East policies also include the East Asian countries of Japan, South Korea, and for the vital into the perspective and the Pacific perspective is their East policy. There is thinking of connectivity in people to people engagement. Between the Look East policies. How many do you think Northeast is important to India East policies? So Northeast is very much important because it is the main connectivity mentioned between the mainland India and the Northeast in India, and also the culturals and the dimension is there, and culture affinities and cultural synergy between India and ASEAN countries is there. The people is more. We have the Nepal country is also the members of ASEAN. We are the military countries. So what is India's policy to Myanmar? We are the to the world largest democracy. And there in the Myanmar's birds action for the actually is not in conformity your government in the largest democracy or the so with Myanmar, India has followed to engage with also military power right now, and also say there is the fear that India will not engage with military. China will make its place, and that will be counterproductive for India. That's why the India is not going out there. So basically maintaining a balanced relationship, so it can convey the interest, its perspective. India can maintain relations with home time Myanmar. And what is the topic in India from recognition having the better relations with Taliban region is Afghanistan. Not to be considered because Taliban, so there are issues as well. First one is the influence of Pakistan in the third of the cross-border terrorism, and also some Haqqanis. Pakistan has issues of Taliban, these are also there. But with the Taliban, so their policies, human rights also concern India, and the act of the Taliban's that they are promoting actually across borders that the effect to India, and in the diplomatic certain level India also engaging with Taliban so that its mission is also open in Kabul. India is doing that already. Concern is interest with terrorism and human rights issues. Swati, like you come from Madhya Pradesh, and there has been new introduction of cheetahs. They is actually going to wildlife conservation, and it is going to take our attention away from protecting the species and focus on the exotic species like cheetah. I believe it will lead to wildlife conservation because in areas it will boost up the government will work and to maintain the ecosystem so the survive in terms of cost benefit ratio. Don't you think cost is much more the benefits very like question. So I believe benefit will be generated of wildlife tourism. So in that sense, the benefit this level. Which is the gas lightings is the bird of the year 2022. What is the stumps gas lighting? So the year hobbies includes the dance, watches movies, playing badminton, walking and physical exercise. Which of the biggest activities dancing? Dance, I feel I can be able to express my emotions and release my energies and to experience something that stresses and stresses me. What kind of time? What happened on 30th of January in Indian history? बहुत महात्मा गांधी बहुत in Delhi. Who gave you the Mahatma Gandhis and the name Mahatma? Why you know and Bapu, and I believe the contributions of the Indian to the Indian freedom struggles and principles made him the Ladakh was the father of the जो नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस, who is the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi? Mother Mohan Malviya, Swati